Hello, have you ever wanted items to get thrown at you? Well, if the answer to that question was yes, you have come to the right tutorial. Let's get started. For this feature or channel point redeem, you will have to download the app called karasubonk. The link will be on the comments and in the description of the video. I have already downloaded it and it comes in a zip file. It is free, but you can pay the creator if you wish to. It is kind of a thing in itch.io. I'm going to just extract it into this folder that I have. And there we have it. Then after you have done extracting it, just open up the app itself right here. You don't have to do anything other than that to install it. It should open up into a screen like this. Wait, yes. It should make you log into Twitch. God damn. All right, and now that you are logged in, it should go on to its task of trying to find the browser source, which is our next thing to do. You shall go to your OBS. You have to open up OBS for this, and you will add a new browser source. I cannot actually properly show this, but there will be some images on the screen. All right, and now that we have made our browser source, this should pop up on your VTube Studio. You have to have your plugins enabled, actually, which can be done from here. Start API allow plugins. You have to flip that switch on. Yes. Then you have to have your browser source the same size as your VTube Studio source on OBS. And it is a good idea to also include both of them in the same group. Just group them up in case you move VTube Studio around. The karasubonk will also move with that. And now that our browser source is done and our plugin is enabled in VTube Studio, we can head back to karasubonk and click the Calibrate button. This will cause your model in VTube Studio to change its size and move around, but you should keep it as is, or else you will have to restart the calibration process. Just keep your model at the position that it is, and keep an eye on your OBS. There should be some instructions popping up on OBS on what to do on the karasubonk browser source. So let's get that going right here. And now that we are done with the calibration, we can move on to the next step, which is adding our channel point redeems. Just click the back button right here to get back to the regular screen. Click the events. You will have some of these basic stuff like subscriptions, gift subs, bits. You can enable whichever you like. I'm going to be showing how to do channel points. So you have 3 already created here. You can add more if you want from up here. So click on, you can have multiple different types that will throw different kinds of images at your model. I'm gonna do a single and a barrage as I usually have had. Click the listen and then go to your Twitch channel and redeem the channel point reward that you have created for that. And it will get assigned. Then you can go to your bonk images to select whichever images you want to have enabled. If we go to our just chatting screen and test it out, you can see it gets thrown at me. Nice. And just to be sure, we can go ahead and try redeeming our redeem. I will redeem our barrage. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been really helpful for you. Have a good one.